NDD, FDD here present, estimated delegates, all protocol observed. My name is Valeria Makonza, National Secretary for External Relations. Here is my solidarity. Let me start by saying the ZANU-PF Youth League extends its profound gratitude and feels greatly honored and privileged to be part of this most revered annual gathering of the 6th edition of the Imbonera Day. We convey our warm camaraderie greetings from our President and First Secretary, the Head of State and Government, His Excellency, Comrade Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa, who sent us to represent our Revolutionary Party, ZANU-PF, and our motherland, Zimbabwe. We are particularly intrigued by this year's theme, African Youth Engaged to Initiatives for a Developed Continent, which is a bold clarion call for all of us, the youth from the Africa region, to mobilize each other and come up with a grown strategies to our continental problems. Every African country is enjoined to initiate homegrown solution with a quest to develop our continent. Back home, Zimbabwe, through the able leadership of President Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa, is implementing youth development initiatives under the banner, leaving no one and no place behind. In our case, to attain an upper middle income society by 2030. This initiative is further argued by the mantra, Nyika inovakwa nevenevayo, literally meaning the country is built by its own. In English, devotalizing well with the theme of the day. These strategies, I want to assure you, will deliver. Our greatest wish and word of encouragement is that let us remain united as we endeavor to address political and socio-economic issues affecting the youth. Long live Burundi, long live CNDD, FDD.
Amashimenshi kubavukanyi bo muri Zimbabwe mu gusozera kino kigabane c'indamutso n'intasho z'abavukanyi baje bava mu bihugu bitandukanye. Twagomba duhamagare umuvukanyi mu gica Tanzania, umugambi CCM arahawe ikaze kugira asozere zino ndamukanyo mu kuduha ubutumwa yarungikanye.